So a lot of people will be trying to create my profiles aho pa C-TRAC, and vanhu vazhinji vanosangana nema problems hobo pa C-TRAC. Now in this video I'll be showing you guys why you are getting a lot of problems per website here C-TRAC or here Royal Caribbean when you are creating your profiles. So it's just one little thing you miss out when you go per website. It doesn't matter ushanisa laptop or phone. The main idea is which web browser are you using, which browser are you using. For instance, right now ndavura Google Chrome. As you can see, this is Google Chrome. I know a lot of you guys have got Google Chrome on their phones, and vanoshandisa iPhone vanayo, vamwe vanoshandisa Safari. That's where you guys are making the mistake. Now, without wasting any time, in the website here, C-TRAC, right? Then you press enter. You see something, right? As soon as the website opens, and this pop up, this site is best viewed using Firefox. Please download the browser by clicking the link below. Download the latest Firefox version. Website here to detect that you are using the wrong web browser. So you have a recommendation to use this one. So vazhinji venyu vari kungobva vaclose apana papa over vati no thanks, but they are not getting the whole sense of this message. So of course you can click no thanks, or you can cancel. Then you go ahead and try to register or log in and do whatever business out of it. But someone ndo paya panozotanga kuti hey, profile yangu iri kunetsa chingava chi because you ignored that message at the beginning. Let me go ahead and start again. Google Chrome, as you can see, Google Chrome. Then we open C-TRAC. You will type this pop-up message that you are using the wrong web browser. So for you to have the best experience of the website, download and use Firefox. Firefox is just a web browser, which is also known as Mozilla Firefox. Oh no, it was formerly known as Mozilla Firefox. Now it's Firefox. So because in I already have Firefox, I'm gonna go ahead and open my Firefox. So I want to show you something. Now ndikavura that website using Firefox. Look what's gonna happen. Boom, yavura, and we don't see that pop-up message. But the minute we use any other browser, if you are fortunate enough, it will tell you. So if you are on your phone, chances are you will not see this message. That's when you get a lot of problems. And if you are on a laptop as well, it's not update wow, and you are using an old Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, chances are you will not see this message. Then you end up having a series of problems when you are creating your profile or when you are applying. So to fix this problem, you need to install Firefox, the latest version of Firefox, and my problems ako ese anova disappear. Thank you so much, guys.